Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Last night, I prepared Mexican street corn white chicken chili. Wow, mouthful. Oh, it 5 stars. Excellent. This is a must try. I played with the seasoning, and I added some spices. It's in the notes, but let me tell you, I did some ground coriander, ground or powdered Mexican oregano. You can't find that in your regular grocery store, but you can find it in most of your Mexican markets. I like it. It's yummy. I also added some Morita chipotle chili powder to give it a little bit of smokiness, and some Deji merch, which, as you know from last week or the week before, I can't remember which, that is a slightly spicier paprika from India. It's not Mexican, it's not Southwestern, but it just added. This was not a lot of heat. There's not a lot of heat in this. If you follow this, even with the added spices that I added, this was really good. I'm glad I have leftovers. Speaking of leftovers, tonight is leftover night. I haven't done a leftover night in a long time. As Robin said to me the other day, it's nice that you embrace leftovers finally. I don't know what that means. I know what it means because I typically don't do leftovers. So, last night, again, was Mexican street corn white chicken chili. Tonight's leftovers. Tomorrow, I've been putting this recipe off for a few weeks, mostly because of budget, to be quite honest. I am doing Moroccan beef stew tomorrow. I've been looking forward to this one since I saw it. Because as you know, I've been playing with a lot of Middle East, Moroccan, and African blends. So I've been looking forward to this one. Yeah. So on this Tuesday, today's shearing day. I tried yesterday. They were closed. New owners. I'll just put it that way. Today's shearing day. Before the rain. We're supposed to get a lot of rain in the next few days. So, on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.